he summoned Moses to the top of the mountain. The fire, the lightning, the thunder, the trumpet blast, scenes like the one in our first reading have given people the idea that the Old Testament God is terrifying and violent, ready to strike us down when we do something wrong. He's not like the God of the New Testament who is loving and merciful. But that's a serious misinterpretation. God is God, and he never changes. So what if we took a look at this scene from a bigger, broader perspective? What might we see? A God who wants to support Moses, his chosen leader. God wants the people to see that he is communicating directly with Moses, so that they always have faith in you also. He is building up Moses, so that the Israelites will be united under his leadership. Moses' bravery must have made quite an impression as they saw him head into the cloud at the top of Mount Sinai. A God who is more powerful than anything else. God is perfectly complete unto himself, and he doesn't need to display his power to build himself up. Rather, seeing his power changes us. It inspires humility, reverence, and the conviction that God is ultimately in charge. It inspires awe when we contemplate that the creator of the universe is the same God who loves us and knows us so intimately that all the hairs of your head are counted, as it says in Matthew chapter 10, verse 30. A God whose very words are filled with divine power. This scene happens right before God gives Moses the 10 Commandments. You know, when something momentous happens in our lives, we want to mark the occasion with a special gathering, decorations, speeches, and music. God is no different here. The dramatic scene tells the Israelites that something vitally important is happening. These commandments would become the foundation of the Israelites' faith for the rest of history, and God wanted to make sure the people saw how important they were. God never changes. His demonstrations of power are always expressions of his love. No matter how he reveals himself, it is always meant to bring us his blessings. Lord, all power and glory are yours, forever and ever. Psalm, Daniel 3:52-56, Matthew 13:10-17.